are going to begin with the lesson number 15 of your class 7 English, that is a tribute to humanities, Neerja Bhanot. So let's begin with this lesson. Neerja Bhanot was born to Harish and Rama Bhanot on 7 September 1963. कब born हुई थी? 7 September 1963 में born हुई थी. इनके फादर मदर कौन थे? हरीश एंड रमा भनौत. कहाँ पे born हुई थी? In चंडीगढ़. Later the family moved to Mumbai, then called Bombay. उस टाइम पे मुंबई को क्या कहते थे? हम बॉम्बे कहते थे. ये थोड़े टाइम बाद वहाँ पे शिफ्ट हो गए थे. Neerja was a sensitive and compassionate young woman. ये क्या थी? Sensitive और compassionate young woman थी. Her inner beauty reflected on her serene beauty face. उनकी inner beauty जो थी, उनकी internal जो beautiful थी, internal beauty जो थी, उनके face पर वो दिखती थी. Following a conventional arranged marriage in 1985, she joined her husband in the Gulf. उनकी arranged marriage हुई थी 1985 में और उन्होंने अपने हस्बैंड को ज्वाइन किया था गल्फ में. Under the strain of dowry pressures, Neerja returned home to her parents in Mumbai within 2 months. मतलब उन पे डाउरी का प्रेशर लग रहा था, मतलब दहेज का प्रेशर लग रहा था, तो अपने पेरेंट्स के पास वापस आ गई थी शादी के 2 महीने बाद ही बॉम्बे. Neerja was a woman of dignity and strength. वो क्या थी? एक वुमेन थी जिनमें बहुत डिग्निटी थी और स्ट्रेंथ थी. She would not relent to pressure of dowry. Her husband set humiliating conditions for her return to him. उनके हस्बैंड ने बहुत ज्यादा ह्यूमिलेटिंग कंडीशंस सेट करी थी, उनके वापस होना ही पड़ा. एंड Neerja family did not comply. Then marriage has turned sour. मतलब मैरिज बहुत ज्यादा बेकार हो गई थी. Turned sour. So turned sour means became unpleasant. Neerja decided to move on in life. उन्होंने move on करने का सोचा अपनी लाइफ में. And she signed a modeling contract. उन्होंने एक modeling contract को sign कर दिया. A little later, she undertook the training for a flight purser with a Pan Am. उन्होंने क्या करा था? एक ट्रेनिंग ली थी फ्लाई पर्सर की. किसके साथ? पैन एम के. Immensely dedicated, Neerja made a responsible and committed flight attendant. वो एक responsible और committed flight attendant बन गई थी. On 5 September 1986, she had returned from a day-long shoot for a modeling assignment. 1986 में वो क्या मतलब डे लॉन्ग शूट से वापस आई थी मॉडलिंग असाइनमेंट के. She was a senior flight purser on the flight. वो क्या थी? Senior flight purser थी फ्लाइट में. On which her courage was to be tested, the test that made her so special to our country, to humanity. At Karachi, the plane was hijacked by 4 heavily armed terrorists. कराची में हमारा प्लेन हाईजैक्ट हो गया था. वो वाला 4 heavily armed terrorists थे. Immediately, Neerja rushed towards the cockpit to inform the captain. भागी गई cockpit के पास inform करने के लिए captain को. A terrorist caught her by her ponytail, but she managed to shout the hijack code. मतलब terrorist ने उन्हें पकड़ लिया, but उन्होंने एक hijack code shout करा. Another flight attendant who caught the code conveyed it ahead. जिसने वो जो एक code था उसे मतलब एकदम पकड़ लिया कि code तो hijacking वाला है, एकदम मतलब आगे कन्वे कर दिया उसे. What followed was a traumatic experience for all those on board. बहुत ज्यादा traumatic experience था सबके लिए जो फ्लाइट में थे. The 3-member cockpit crew of pilot, co-pilot and fly engineer exhibited great cowardice. They deserted the plane and the 360 passenger and 13-member cabin crew were left in the hands of the heartless terrorists. वो desert कर दिया प्लेन को और वो 360 पैसेंजर जो था 13 क्रू मेंबर्स जो थे वो मतलब टेररिस्ट के पास ही छोड़ दिए. Neerja was a cabin crew leader. Neerja कौन थी? cabin crew की लीडर थी. With great and a deep sense of duty, she took over command. उन्होंने एक कमांड ली. She kept the passenger calm and ensured. उन्होंने passengers को calm रखा, ensure करा उन्हें कि they were comforted, कि वो comfortable हो जाए वहाँ. She continued to serve and attend the passenger needs. उन्होंने मतलब passengers की needs को देना start करा. She realized that the terrorists would harm the American passenger the most. उन्होंने realize करा कि वो American passengers को terrorists सबसे ज़्यादा harm करेंगे. Hoping to confuse the terrorists about their identity, she discreetly collected all the American passport and hid them. उन्होंने मतलब indirectly चुपके से उनके सारे American passports को collect कर लिया और उन्हें हाइड कर दिया कि उनको लगता था कि टेररिस्ट सबसे ज्यादा अमेरिकन पैसेंजर्स को हार्म करेंगे. The trauma of the hijack continued for about 17 hours. 17 hours तक ये hijack चलता रहा. Since the power had begun to fail, the light became dim. Light बहुत ज़्यादा dim हो गई. The terrorists thought that the passenger would try to escape in the darkness and it would be difficult to hold them at ransom. उनको लगा कि अंधेरे में जो पैसेंजर से भाग जाएंगे, सो उन्हें पकड़ना बहुत ज्यादा मतलब बहुत दिक्कत होगी, डिफिकल्ट रहेगा. दे बिगिन फायरिंग एट रैंडम. उन्होंने एकदम रैंडम फायरिंग करना स्टार्ट कर दिया. इमीडिएटली नीजा रश टू द इमरजेंसी डोर एंड पुश्ड इट ओपन. उन्होंने एकदम इमरजेंसी डोर के पास पहुंचे और एकदम ओपन कर दिया उसे. Desperately she cried, "Get out! Run!" These words have not been forgotten by the survivors. जो बच गए थे वो मतलब उन्होंने नीजा ने क्या बोला था, run run, जो एकदम इमरजेंसी खोल दिया था गेट. They can also recall how she guided and pushed people down the chute. Chute means a tube or passage down which people can slide. जिसमें से इजली आप स्लाइड करके आ जाते हो, उसमें कैसे उन्होंने पुश करा था उन्हें. मोस्ट टचिंग पार्ट ऑफ द एंटायर एक्सपीरियंस वाज अ डेथ. मतलब कि उनकी डेथ भी हो गई थी. व्हाइल ट्राइंग टू प्रोटेक्ट 3 चिल्ड्रन शी absorbed the onslaught of bullets that pierced her body. उसने एकदम 3 बच्चों को बचाया, तो एकदम उनकी बॉडी में एकदम बॉडी को छन्नी कर दिया था उन बुलेट्स ने नीजा की. The citation by the Pan Am rightly says Nija was called upon the most difficult condition at the most difficult time. The step forward in a position of leadership and her heroic action was clearly responsible for saving 100 of lives. खाली नीजा की वजह से बहुत सारी लाइफ्स बच पाई थी उनके हीरोइक एक्शन की वजह से. The weekend review remarks she was brave in life, brave in death. वो क्या थी, उन्हें एक रिमार्क मिला था कि वो she was brave in life and brave in death. The only stewardess to have commanded an aircraft and had the hijackers at bay was an Indian. So Nija Bhanot received the Ashok Chakra. उन्हें अशोक चक्र मिला था. Highest civilian and award for bravery मिला था. The Ashok Chakra citation states her loyalties to the passenger of the aircraft is distress. Distress means danger. Will forever be lasting tribute. So an act showing respect. Tribute means an act showing respect and admiration to the finest qualities of the human spirit. She was awarded the Tamga-e-Insaniyat. उन्हें क्या मिला, तमगा-e-इंसानियत मिला पाकिस्तान में. फ्लाई सेफ्टी फाउंडेशन अवार्ड मिला था and also medals of heroism of the National Society of the Sons and of the American Revolution, that is USA. Nija's parents were shattered yet proud of their daughter heroism. वो बहुत ज़्यादा proud feel, वो shattered थे but proud feel कर रहे थे अपनी daughter की heroism पे. They set up a trust with an initial amount of 36.5 lakhs. उन्होंने एक trust बनाया 36.5 lakh का amount लगा के. The trust honor and award those who reflect the heroic qualities of Nija characters. The trust gives 2 annual awards. वो 2 annual awards देता है trust, 1.5 lakhs each. So one award goes to airline crew member. One award किसको जाता है, airline crew members को जाता है who acts beyond the call of duty under trying circumstances anywhere in the world. The other award goes to an Indian woman. दूसरा award किसको मिला, Indian woman को who has fought against social injustice, जो fought करी थी social injustice के against like dowry and desertions. These awards keep alive the memory of one of the bravest women of our country. हमारी memory जिंदा रखती है किनकी, हमारी bravest women of हमारी country की. So take the correct option. Nija was a young woman of immense self-respect with a lot of pride, with a strong desire of popularity. None of these. With an immense self-respect. The plane was hijacked at the Karachi. The 3 crew members of the aircraft exhibited their valor, intelligence, cowardice. It begins to get dark inside the aircraft because one of the hijackers turned off the light. Power began to fail. The sun had set. What action did Nija Bhanot take to help safeguard the passenger? She negotiated with the hijackers. She hid all the American passports. Now fill in the blanks. Nija Bhanot was born on great pride and respect. Now a dash caught her by her ponytail. A hijacker, a terrorist, caught her by her ponytail. Nija was the cabin crew leader. Nija Bhanot received the Ashok Chakra. Now complete the given flowchart. The plane was hijacked. Nija took over command. What sentence will come in between? The plane was hijacked and The pilot was cowardized. Neerja took over command. She saved the members. Lights became dim. Lights became dim, and Neerja saved the passengers. While Neerja opened the emergency door, Neerja helped. Neerja felt as. So answer the following questions. How did Neerja show courage in her personal life? कैसे courage दिखाया उन्होंने personal life में? By leaving the husband's house because of the dowry problem, she returned to her parents and she tried for the modeling, and then she became the cabin crew master. How did the pilot get the information about the hijack? The Neerja conveyed the message in the secret code to the another cabin crew member. She conveyed to the pilot. Why did Neerja have to take over the command of the aircraft? Because the pilot and the co-pilot were cowardized. They just swept from the aircraft. How was Neerja's supreme sacrifice give its due recognition? Because Neerja saved 3 children by hugging them, and the hijacker had given the bullets to the Neerja. So she lost his life. She lost her life, and it is the sacrifice given to its due to recognition. On what basis are the recipients of the 2 awards selected by the trust formed in memory of Neerja Banaut? 2 annual awards were given to the Neerja, 1.5 lakh each. One award goes to the airline crew member, and another goes to the Indian woman who has fought against the social injustices. So that's all for this lesson. I hope you all like the explanation of this lesson. Thank you and have a great day.